Flickapply.com claims you can earn $100 to $150 just by completing surveys, which sounds like an easy way to make money, but I decided to check it out to see if it's really that simple or just another online trap. After signing up, I noticed a few things that raised concerns. First, the website redirects through multiple URLs, which is often a red flag. The earnings page looked promising at first, but I started noticing inconsistencies, like offers that seemed too good to be true and payout promises that didn't add up. One of the biggest issues was its so-called association with Netflix, which turned out to be fake. There's no actual link between flickapply.com and Netflix, despite what the website suggests. The domain was also registered very recently, and the overall trust score is low, making it difficult to verify if anyone has ever received payments. On the other hand, I didn't encounter outright scams like forced payments or malware, but the site does seem designed to lure users in with big promises that may not deliver. In the end, I didn't receive any payout, which makes me skeptical about its legitimacy. While it might not be a direct scam in the sense of stealing money, the lack of transparency and misleading claims make it hard to trust. If you're considering using flickapply.com, I'd recommend being cautious and not relying on it as a guaranteed source of income.